In the heart of the Pacific, where the ocean's roar mingles with the sounds of military drills, lies an extraordinary battlefield. But here, the combatants aren't armed foes. They're soldiers fighting a different kind of war against invasive species threatening endangered wildlife. Welcome to the front lines of conservation, where warriors defend not just their nation, but the delicate ecosystems within. Imagine this. Marines not in pursuit of enemies, but navigating wetlands aboard amphibious assault vehicles. Their mission? To combat pickleweed, an invasive plant species threatening the sanctuary of endangered Hawaiian stilts. This isn't Hollywood fiction. It's mud ops where combat training and conservation merge seamlessly to protect both soldiers and wildlife. Yet, Hawaii is just one theater in a nationwide campaign. Military bases with restricted public access have become vital sanctuaries for endangered species, hosting more biodiversity than national parks. From Florida's scrublands to San Clemente Island shores, military installations stand as unexpected allies in the battle against extinction. Meet Charles "Buck" McLaughlin, a former Air Force pilot turned conservationist. At Avon Park Air Force Range in Florida, he orchestrates a delicate dance between military drills and habitat preservation. Here, amidst the thunder of artillery fire, endangered species like the grasshopper sparrow find refuge. Venture to San Clemente Island, where the U.S. Navy fights invasive species to restore native habitats. Once overrun, the island now teems with life, including the rebounding populations of endangered species like the island night lizard. Even in Texas at Fort Hood, soldiers embrace dual roles as defenders of both country and nature. Through careful management, they safeguard the endangered black-capped vero from cowbird parasitism, ensuring harmony between military readiness and wildlife conservation. And on Marine Base Hawaii, a new recruit joins the ranks, a Hawaiian monk seal pup named Elilei. Born amidst bustling beaches, she finds tranquility in the care of dedicated Marines. Ultimately, it's a testament to the resilience of nature and humanity alike. Across terrains and oceans, warriors stand united in defense of life's rich tapestry. In the struggle against extinction, each soldier, sailor, and marine is a hero, fighting for a future where both humanity and wildlife flourish.